Hi guys! Good morning everyone! Ayan, mag-aano kami ng mini vlog. So, papasok na kami. Andito kami sa dinadaanan namin sa beach. Ay, beach ba to? No, hindi pala to beach. Sorry, ilog pala. Naninibago. Akala ko nasa probinsya namin kami. So, yun guys. Always early kami papasok. So, schedule kasi namin is 8 to 5 sa office. So, yon. So, Thursday today. So, 6 days and 1 week ang pasok namin every Sunday. Yung aming yung isa namin medyo nahihiya, medyo shy. Mamaya nalaglag yan sa ilog. So, yan medyo nalilate na kami ng konti. Ayan. So, guys, please support my YouTube channel. Naman siya sa pa-subscribe na lang po. Even sa TikTok ko, and then pa-support na rin po sa aking Bigo Live. This first week of March, new beginning ulit. New beginning from entertaining people out there in around the Philippines. Around the Philippines, guys. So, yon. I love you so much. Huwag po kayong mananawang to support her and me. So, yun guys. Medyo mainit. Even this morning, I was tired. So guys, I love you so much for supporting me every day. Naghihingal ako guys. Papasok pa lang kasi ako barbell a little bit, mga 20 lifting barbell, 20 counts exercise to improve our masculinity. Even I am a femininity. Thank you so much guys. I love you so much every day. Yung aking nagbabarbell din yan. Yan ay dating lalaki. Bakla na siya ngayon. Ito kada na. I love you so much guys. Feeling na ngayon. Umiinom yan ng sleeping pills. Kaya nagkaka-shape yung body niya. Sinahaluan niya ng Biogesic. Ayan guys. Dikdikin nyo lang ng maayos. Love you so much guys. Naka 2 minutes and 30 seconds naman na. I love you so much. Bye bye. See you on kung kailan ako mag-video. I love you so much.